Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC settings. And in this video, I will show you how to add folder in your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and select a particular folder you want to add. Like for instance, I'm going to use this folder as an example right here. Next thing you want to do is to right click on the folder. Then after right click on the folder, next thing we want to do right here is to make sure we go ahead and click on properties right here. Next thing we want to do right here is come down below right here. Make sure you click on hidden right here. Having select hidden, go ahead and click on advanced tab. Then make sure you check on encrypt content to secure data. Click on that and go ahead and hit on OK. Next thing you want to do right here is to come down below right here. Go ahead and hit on apply. And this is going to pump up. Apply change to the this folder only. Go ahead and check on this. Go ahead and click on OK. Lastly, come down below right here and hit on OK, and you have the folder being hidden right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, so you can see the padlock right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.